My name is Jonathan Anglin, and I am an insurance agent. This is a survey of people that are either clients or agents that told us the mistakes that have happened through the process of shopping their home insurance. So number 10, waiting till the last minute to get your insurance is a mistake. And what happens is people are buying a home or getting pre-qualified for a home. They found the realtor, they found the mortgage company that's going to allow them to get the house, and then all of a sudden we're scrambling to get the insurance in place. Sometimes it's the day of because people have just completely forgot to call their agent to talk about it. So now the agent has a little time to get you something as quick as possible. So now everything's questionable about price, other options, and coverage. So take your time when getting a quote for your home insurance. Number 9, putting your home with a different carrier than your auto insurance can be a big mistake because you can really save a lot of money when you're combining your auto and your home together, and you just don't want to miss any discounts. There is a factor on the flip side with loyalty that we talked about in our earlier video about underwriters. When they're making exceptions for unique situations with homes, they want to look at all of your accounts to say, will this client be profitable if we, so it is nice to have combined auto and home with the same carrier. Number 8, people in a hurry forget to mention additional toys that they may have that could be put on their homeowner policy. So an ATV is a perfect example of if you're going too fast and you're not really taking your time looking at your insurance, either the agent may make the mistake or you just miss, oh, I've got this ATV and what am I doing with it? And so there are a lot of products that you can actually add to your home policy. So slow down a little bit so you can really take some time with your agent to not make a mistake and not get the right coverage that you're looking for. Number 7, people forget to tell agents about other properties that they own. And so a lot of time, one of the bigger ones would be just additional land that someone may own that has a parcel that it's very easy to take additional liability that you have on your home and just extend it to another property location. So another would be family trust or secondary homes or rental properties. Just tell the agent what you have so he can make the best decision on what product's available for you, so that you can really not hurt yourself later on. Number 6, people sacrifice coverage for price, then complain come claim time. So some of these coverages on homeowner products that people are willing to save some money when they start off, but really could hurt themselves in the long run. Flood insurance, earthquake insurance, service line coverage, water backup, equipment breakdown, ID theft, cyber, deductibles, replacement costs on your contents, roof, a lot of things that we can always circle back with you and answer more specifically how those coverages work. But when you're shopping insurance and you're trying to save money, an agent's trying to get a quote back to you and at the same time offer you the coverages that they would want to put on their own policy for themselves. So take your time, again, with your agent. Number 5, people don't realize that how a property is used can affect the type of property insurance required. So they're buying a home, maybe they don't know what they're doing with the home, maybe they're gonna fix it up, and maybe they're buying it as an investment property, but the types of policies that are out there are vacant home policies, rental policies, Airbnb policies, and then you're dealing also with financing it and making sure that you can close on the loan. So you may get one rate, and as you get closer to the closing date, the property isn't on the right policy, and the bank wants to see it a different way, and all of a sudden the rates change, and now you're stressed out because you're trying to close within hours or days, and they're not seeing exactly what they need. So don't make the mistake of not talking to your agent about what your intent is with the property so that there's no surprises when it comes down to the most important part of getting the insurance and why you need it, so you can close on a property. Number 4, they do not think about the home-based business that they have. And sometimes an agent can make the mistake and not ask, and then there's an exposure that's on the table that could occur. An easy example would be people that cut hair from home. Maybe they're a piano teacher. The main thing that insurance carriers are looking for are the traffic. How much traffic's coming in the house. That's what they're really deciding if they want to be on the risk or not. Some people are manufacturing in their garage, you know, or maybe they've got employees coming in and out. And some carriers are not okay with that, and they won't, if they know about that, they'll turn around and cancel the policy. So better to just tell the agent what you're doing at your house. Number 3, they do not think or forget to look into AM Best. It's, you can do that for your auto insurance or for your home insurance, but AM Best is a website you can go to check the financial strength of a carrier before you commit to them to make sure that they're stable. So you're looking for an A-rated carrier or better, and you want to kind of really think twice before you look at a carrier that has a B rating. Number 2, people do not want to share all their information. I've kind of hit that a little bit, but you're wanting to get a quote for insurance, but you're not wanting to tell the agent all that's going on. So it makes it hard for the agent to really do their job effectively. And the mistake is that you're missing out on coverages, and you're only hurting yourself, and the agent are kind of on the fence with some coverage issues that you both could be in trouble for not. The agent could be in trouble for not asking all the questions he needed to, and then there could be something that turns around and cancels later because something was not brought up or talked about. Just have a good conversation with your agent. And the number 1 reason people make mistakes when shopping their home insurance is people focus on what the price is and not who the agent is. So like we said in the auto scenario, you're getting this quote, great quote on a home, and you go with it, but you don't even know who the agent is. Who do I call to make changes? When a claim comes, who is that agent? You know, as an independent agent, we are fighting for you when it comes time that you desperately need help. And a lot of people don't know if they should even be talking to their agent during claim time. They just think that they should only be dealing with the adjuster. It's really important to know that if the agent doesn't know that you're frustrated about your policy, then he thinks you're okay and happy. So a mistake is not really knowing that your independent agent or your agent is there for you to really have your best interest in mind and help you in any way he can. So thank you. Thanks for listening to this. If you have any questions or comments, just put them below in our link. And again, my name is Jonathan Anglin with Hedman Anglin Agency, and you can call us at 614-486-7300 or reach us on our website at www.hedmananglinagency.com. Thank you so much.